So one of my vans is a 1993, and the roof has a lot of rust and corrosion that has kind of eaten through in a couple of spots. I painted over it, the roof a few times, a couple of times at least, and mended the spots that were the most egregious when it comes to like rust holes forming with something called JB Weld. Some of you out there might know it. It's a stick, kind of a putty stick, where you break the seal and then you tear off or you slice off a chunk of this cylindrical putty that comes in a tube. You squish it together and mix it up real good, so the outer layer combines with the inner layer, and a chemical reaction occurs, and it forms a very, very hard substance that is supposedly almost like steel, almost like metal, but it's pretty hard. I just did an experiment the other day to see exactly how hard it was, and I tried to break it with a hammer, and it broke pretty easily. So that's what this video is about, and I'm doing some experimentation right now with the sound and everything, and my editing on Adobe Premiere to see how it turns out. But I was kind of disappointed by how easily it broke. I thought it would maybe hold up a little better than it did. I'm pretty sure I mixed it well enough. Maybe I'll try it again and do a second attempt to more thoroughly mix it and get it to bond better with itself and be a harder ball of steel-like material, because it does a pretty good job of mending holes or plugging up holes on the auto body roof of a 30-year-old van, 32-year-old van now. But actually, wait, that van is a 95. My other van is a 93, and the 93 doesn't have any rust holes in it yet. The 95 Dodge is the one that had the holes, and the 93 is a GMC, and it's holding up pretty well. So anyways, this is not a car brand review video. This is to illustrate the durability of JB Weld. So we're now going to see how this JB Weld ball, which has hardened into something resembling steel, is when it is beaten with a hammer. We'll see how well it holds up being beaten with a hammer on a concrete floor. Oh, fuck. Ricocheted and hit my shin, which was part of it. Didn't hold up that well, but the other part go. Just shot everywhere. It didn't exactly hold up too well. That was the other part. Busted into like 3 parts. So that experiment showed that it is not exactly. So that was it, sports fans. Leave a comment if you want down in the comments. Tell me how bad you thought this video was. Hopefully my editing and my podcasting skills are going to improve as time goes on. But I just wanted to do this review because it's a very, very useful piece of material that I've found to mend holes in steel roofs of vans, and hopefully you can use it.